And hello there again, 30 minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxing. So right now what I have here is one of the latest item shop from the 30 minutes fantasy line. We have the item shop number 4 quest option, where as you can see in the box art, we have firewoods, fire, torches, lamps, and some sticks, and of course some books. Definitely something of a fantasy vibe wherein you're resting at campfire and something like that. So off to the side, yes, we only have these items here, and you can see both the Rosen and the Libra guys interacting with it, and of course the priests with the books and all. And off to the other side, yep, here's how it is. You can use paint to clear it up. Some information about the 30 minutes fantasy line, and opening up and seeing what's inside the box. We only get one bag with 6 screws, and of course there's an old gray and of course a clear orange. And of course we have the instruction manual here, wherein it just shows you how to build up the campfire, the book, and of course the lamp, and of course it also shows you how it can be attached or interacted with the previous item shops. Alright, now let's take a look at the screws. So first up, we have the all gray screw here, the item shop options, item 4A, wherein yeah, this is the base of the campfire, some parts for the still kind of campfire, the lamp, and then the book, some of the sticks, of course. And the other one is the B, wherein these are all the orange clear parts to emulate bright fire. So we only have these two for this. And yep, that is all inside that box. And of course, we're going to have another one wherein it's more on a cave-like structure, I guess. But I can't wait to get at that and see how it interacts more with the other pieces of the 30 minutes fantasy line. And yes, that is all what's inside the box at 30 minutes fans and folks. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the other video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.